How to deactivate Messenger account. Let's get started. Launch your Messenger app. Here we go. You will land to the chat section. Now at the top left corner you will find 3 bars. Click on it. Head towards this option of settings. Now scroll all the way down. Click on the option of account center. Click on the option personal details. Click on the option account ownership and control. Click on the option deactivation or deletion. Click on your Facebook account. Now click on the option of deactivate account. Deactivating your account is temporary, so click on continue. Now over here you have to type in your password. Once you type in, click on continue. Now here you have to give a reason why do you want to deactivate your account, and then click on continue. Automatically reactivate my account in. Click on this drop down and you can select any of these days. I'm gonna set it to don't reactivate automatically. Once you do that, click on the option of continue. Make sure you don't check in for this option, continue using Messenger, and then click on deactivate my account. With that, your Messenger and Facebook, both the accounts will be deactivated. So this is how you can deactivate Messenger account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.